Hello everyone, today is October 26th. It's a Tuesday. A quick video on the results using the at the open to trading method. Many of you have the software and you have the exact same signals, as you can see, 2 long trades and a short trade. And as a reminder, we are removing the at the open to software off of the website and will only be available with mentorship. So if you're still interested in getting the at the open to software and learning the method, attending the live training, visit daytradetowin.com and you can access this software for your trading and your trading charts. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So if you have the at the open to software, it's exactly the same, the long and the short opportunities, but I have to say the first signal of the day, the long signal, is always the best to take. It's as the market begins to trade, as the open begins, we take advantage of that push. So here we have a long at 45.83 and an additional long at 45.90 if it happens. I look straight down to the average true range, which tells me the goal, which is roughly about 3 points, 3.5 points. The market made a big 6-point move practically. This is a once and done trade and you're finished for the day. I like to see that. Now for the second trade to go short, 45, 72, 75. Again, I don't recommend trading into the afternoon using this method. You could scalp using the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line, but this specific method to go short, it's a little late in the day. It's still successful. The market still went. If you're looking at the ATR, about 4 points. And so from here to here, the market made much more than 4 points, as it just continued to go lower and lower. There is a time-based stop. We have a catastrophic stop. So this is all taught with training. And remember, we are going to take the at the open to software off of the website later this month. Beginning in November, this will no longer be available. So this is today, Tuesday. Let's take a look at yesterday. If you want to look at what happened on Monday, usually Monday we have great trading opportunities because everybody's anxious to jump in. Over the weekend, we all want to see if we can get some opportunities Monday morning. So here we have a long at 45.48. So this long trade here at 45.48, successful once again. Those of you who have the software, exactly the same opportunity to go long, which I like. There is no optimization. Very important when you look at price action. And you can see there's no moving averages, there's no momentum, there's no MACD, there's no bands, Bollinger, or anything whatsoever. It's 45.48 quarter. Market went about 3.5 points in the next 5-10 minutes. Our target at this point was roughly about 3 points, 2.5 points. So you can see the market made 3.5 points fairly quickly, and we're done. Shut down the computer unless you want to continue to trade using the other trading methods we offer, but using the at the open, once and done, and we're finished. If you have any questions, contact us at daytradetowin.com. The next mentorship class is starting early next month. Again, if you're interested in taking advantage of this software, the at the open 2, there's about a week left before we remove it from the website. My name is John Paul. Have a great trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.